Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem The Sorrow of Love by William Butler Yeats. So this is the text of the poem. The prowling of a sparrow in the eaves, the brilliant moon and all the milky sky, and all that famous harmony of leaves had blotted out man's image and his cry. So this poem is about Morgans, who was poet's love interest. So when the poem opens, poet describes nature to be very beautiful and pleasant. Nature is in a happy mood. Okay, the sparrow is making noise by sitting on a height. The moon also looks beautiful in the milky sky, and the beauty of the trees do not reflect the pain and suffering of the human beings. A girl arose that had red mournful lips and seemed the greatness of the world in tears, doomed like Odysseus and the laboring ships, and proud as Priam murdered with his peers. So in the next lines, poet introduces a sorrowful girl with mournful lips. She reflects the pain and suffering of all the people who have passed a bad phase in their lives. And she is being compared to Odysseus, who had faced a lot of challenges on his way back to his home in Ithaca. Odysseus and his ship faced a lot of difficulties during their journey back to their home. So her sorrow is also compared with Priam, father of Paris, who had abducted Helen of Troy, and he was killed along with his people. Arose and on the instant clamorous eaves, a climbing moon upon an empty sky, and all that lamentation of the leaves could but compose man's image and his cry. So in these lines, nature also reflects this girl's sorrow. Okay, and nature has lost its gaiety and happy mood. Now the noisy sky looks empty. Moon and leaves seem to be lamenting upon the sorrow of this girl. Nature reflects, the sorrow and the pain of human beings now. And here the poem ends.